Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Mac OS and disk space so the new library will fit and perform well. Once done, quit Photos, then hold Option and reopen Photos to reveal the library chooser. This is how you switch or create a library. You can pick Create New to initialize an empty library, or click Other Library and navigate to a file in Finder. Make sure the chosen drive is fast enough. Slower external disks cause lag and longer import times. Now you handle the middle steps, moving and consolidating content so your selected library contains everything you need. Use File Import or Drag folders to add images. Select Copy items into the library if you want self-contained storage, which simplifies backups. If merging libraries, use a dedicated utility or export originals from one library and import into the other to retain edits and metadata. Make sure the external drive is connected and indexed. Otherwise, Photos may not complete the transfer reliably. Finish by making your new library the default so Photos opens it every time. You do that by holding Option at launch and selecting that library, then confirm. Alternatively, set up your startup routine so the correct file opens. If Photos warns about corruption, quit and reopen with Option plus Command to run the repair tool. This rebuilds the database safely. Finally, back up the library using Time Machine or a second drive. If something goes wrong, restore a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.